Are you constantly struggling to find a unique place to make lasting memories with your families and friends? You search online, check Airbnb, and just find the same old cookie-cutter places, but you're not sure if it's really worth your money. If this sounds like you, this latest discovery might be for you. Upon arrival, this vibrant green and yellow throw pillows will welcome you in this spacious, high-ceiling and open reception area. This honesty store immediately caught our eyes as they offer here produce from their own farm. Down here, there are also books and board games that you can borrow, encouraging you to disconnect from the online world. On the left side is their check-in counter, and here you can already see other add-on activities that you may want to explore during your stay. After checking in, from here, you'll pass through these beautiful walls, leading you to the restaurant at the middle of this building. There are long tables for big groups, and they offer a wide variety of farm-to-table dishes. They've done a very good job in this main building, but let's go check their cabins, which you can access through these huge access doors right here. The farm has a total of 7 cabins and 1 master villa. We're staying here at cabin number 5, which is just a few steps away from the restaurant. The skeleton of the building used the original steel trusses of the poultry houses, as this farm used to house 55,000 chickens before. This is also the reason why the cabins are elevated, just like a real poultry house. The walls of the cabin are made out of eco bricks, while the window walls are made out of bamboo from their own farm. The stairs leading to the cabin are made of mahogany and old wood, all from the farm and existing buildings. Before we enter the cabin, let me show you that from here, you can see the playground that has a slide, swings, and a tree house, which reminds me of how our childhood days used to be.
Can you look up and see the trees? See, it's nice, right?
This is definitely a different experience if you have kids living in the city. Now from here, let's go inside, and as you enter, you'll be welcomed by this king-sized bed with a Kilyawan bird right there. The cabin ceilings are made of banig, traditionally used as sleeping mats. You can see there the steel trusses of the original poultry house, and there are also repurposed wood and bamboo that blended perfectly with each other. We love that there's a lot of natural light in here, and how can it not be achieved if you're also surrounded with these jalousie windows, keeping the room well ventilated. Across the bed, you have a workstation with complimentary coffee. Down here is your mini fridge, a safe, and some storage. There are 2 couches here, very spacious. It has a high ceiling, and as to the floor, they used beautiful terracotta tiles purchased all the way from vegan Ilocos Sur. The walls are made out of eco bricks produced by green ants. Here you can still see those plastics, adding more texture and beauty to this place while actively promoting sustainability. Behind these walls is an equally spacious dresser and bathroom. There's a hot and cold shower, body soap, shampoo, and hand wash are also provided. Your pool and bathroom towels are also right here, and the only basic toiletries that you need to bring are your toothbrush and comb. As you step out, you have your cabinet where you can put your clothes, a full-body mirror, and a space where you can hang your towels. Sustainability, modern convenience, and good aesthetic all rolled into one. That's how I'll summarize this amazing cabin. Now let's go and explore the rest of the farm, starting with this pool. This is situated at the back of their main building and in front of the cabins. It is a kiddie and adult pool, several chairs over here, and the overall ambiance is just really relaxing. One of the highlights if you book here is the free guided farm tour wherein you'll hop onto a tractor, tour the farm, and learn about various fruit trees, specifically their three main products, namely cacao, golden queen mangoes, and bamboo. You'll end the tour feeding some of their animals, from these cute rabbits to pigs, ducks, and chickens producing these organic eggs. After the farm tour, they still invited us for a leaf art session even if there's only one kid in the group. With so many resorts and Airbnbs being offered online, we chose Kilyawan to celebrate my son's 5th birthday simply because there's a pool and a farm tour at a reasonable price. But we were surprised on how grandiose it is. Upon knowing who the architect is, we understood even more why this place is very impressive. The programs and activities being offered, the professionalism and friendliness of the staff, and the organized system they have are the things that we truly admire. For a price of 7,800 pesos, you get to experience a very relaxing staycation where you can really slow down and enjoy the nature surrounding you.
The skeleton of the building used originally.
The history and story behind every structure adds to the beauty and charm of this place. We highly recommend this if you're looking for a place where you can spend quality time with your family or friends with nature as your backdrop. If you want to know more, sign up to our newsletter as link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you on our next video.